Hey y'all, it is Glam Rebecca here, and I have a bunch of stuff to unbox. I haven't filmed a video for my YouTube channel besides like streaming gaming and stuff like that in over a month. It is now December 1st when I'm filming this. So I have a bunch of these like little cutie bags that I have gotten in from Copacetic Cosmetics, plus I had an order that I placed for their $2 Tuesday, so I figured I would just go over all of it at once. And I know recently my friend Roxana had asked about indie nail polishes, and this is one of the companies that I get indie nail polish from, so I figured I would talk about it. Also, if you order from me like on my website or whatever, sometimes I throw in like these little cute cat stickers that she sends. I give one of those, you know, on orders that are like 25 or more. I usually throw in something cute like that. So this is a bunch of different cutie bags from different months. I have the one that just came for November. I have September and probably August here. And of course the box. So the order, I have this is their Sour Apple Body Spray. I was looking for this. I couldn't find it anywhere. It was literally on here and it was trashed. And I will put a video here so you can see just how trashed all of this was. And then I have 5 shadows that I also bought. This is from Copacetic Cosmetics. This is actually a indie person of color owned business. And I believe her name is Rachel. Yeah, Rachel. People always call me Rachel, so I don't know why. My name is Rebecca. And they usually call people Rachel Rebecca. So anyways, I'm gonna do the intro here. Now, to get into these, I have, just to show you, these are all the ones I've gotten within the past 6 months that I have not taken out of here and put away yet. I have been using them. That's why they're over here, is because this is stuff like makeup that I have used. So that's another video I have to film. And this came in one of the bags. I actually was wearing it not that long ago. I don't think I have any pictures of my nails because I keep my nails short. These are long for me and they're annoying the piss out of me. So I hate them. I'm about ready to chop them all up. This is, he broke juice. Oh, all hell broke juice. Okay, kind of like all hell broke loose. This is a really pretty like baby pink ballerina color, but it has like a blue iridescent shift. So this is like a duochrome. This is one of my favorite polishes from them. This is called Enchanted. Ignore the email from my work. And then this is one of the ones that came in one of the cutie bags. This is called Magic Pumpkin. So this was October. It's a really neon colored orange. I haven't used this one yet. This is the one that just came in for November. This is called Lollipop Woods, I think. And it's this like periwinkle color. And I think one of these is a thermal or one of these is like UV or whatever. So I love these little bottles because I get to test out the polishes and figure out which ones I really like. And then I can go buy a big one because there's several of these little polishes that I've gotten that I've gone and bought a big one. So even though I don't paint my nails very often, I paint them and then it lasts about 3 or 4 days and then I peel it off because it annoys me. So as far as like the other stuff, I have 2 lip products here that came in cutie bags. I'm trying to collect all the extraneous stuff that comes in these packages. Because she usually puts the eyeshadows for the $2 Tuesdays in here. This had something else in it. And then the cutie bags also come wrapped in bubble wrap. So this is a shade, this is a liquid lipstick in the shade Princess Lolly. This one is a liquid lipstick shade in Smashing Pumpkins. So this was November, this was October. I have a couple of their other products. This one here is Insatiable. It is a lipstick. I think this was one I got a couple months back, but it's like this really interesting green shade. So, only thing is about her lipsticks is they kind of smell like they could go bad quick. I haven't had one go bad quick, but it does kind of smell like the base that she uses is kind of iffy. I've got another one over here. This is mustard greens. This is what I've had for a little while. It's like a golden green. And then I've got another one here. You can usually tell which ones are hers by the top. This one here is Beam Me Up. It's just like really pretty blue, metallic blue shade. So I have quite a few of her lipsticks. Do I have any over here that I've worn recently? No. So there's those. The liquid lipstick formula is supposed to be comfortable. I don't like liquid lipsticks because they're super drying, but the shades were pretty and I wanted to try them out. Then I think this was for October. This is Aloe and Pumpkin Face Mask and it's super thick, so I haven't tried it yet. It smells really nice. It has a light pumpkin smell. Then this is one that I bought. This was their spray moisturizer in Sour Apple. And it does kind of smell, I mean, it smells like a Jolly Rancher, to be honest, it does. And it's not greasy. It's a very thin formula. So I've only tried it a couple of times. I need to use it more. Now, the latest bag that I got for November, this is their whipped body butter in gingerbread. It smells more like a cinnamon cookie or ginger snap, like a cinnamon ginger snap. But this is like super thick, very luxurious, very moisturizing, and I was very glad to get it. And I will probably buy a big size of this when I run out. Now to get into, and I reuse these, so if you also order from me, I reuse like packaging, because you know, why not? Get some of this stuff moved. Finally clearing some of the stuff out. It's literally, I have piles of stuff everywhere in here and my ADHD is on like hyperdrive and I just can't do it anymore. So now we have a bunch of shadows. So this one here is Greener Grass. This one is the newest one that just came in called Molasses Swamp. This one is called Midnight Mist. This was the one for October, I can tell by looking at it. This is Pump It Up. Then we have this one here, which is Candelabra. It looks like a matte black, but it's not. It's got a shimmer to it. It's like a blue micro shimmer. Like it's got blue mica or something in it. This one here is really pretty. I've used it already. This is called Apparition. It's very similar to like Glass Bowl at first, but it's not quite as deep if you're familiar with the ColourPop Glass Bowl. This one here is called Phantasm. I need to just sit down and do a swatch party of like colors by brand. This one here is called Goosebumps. And it's a pretty matte, like teal color. And that is everything I have for Copacetic. Like I said, I've got literally, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 right here that I've gotten previously. So I guess I'll show you those really quick. This is Illusion, Enchantment, Evocation, Triforce, Twilight Companion, Princess of Legends, I moved the stars for no one. This was one I selected. This was a monthly subscription one. Matcha Macaroon. I think this was also another monthly subscription one that came with that green lipstick. Spilling Tea. Lavender Lemonade. And lastly, Pinkies Up. So that's all of them that I have sitting right here that I need to get out of these little things and put them in one of my magnetic palettes. I just haven't done it yet. And I was gonna do like a singles declutter video, and I haven't filmed that yet either. So I've got some singles pulled to do a declutter with, and then I accidentally dropped one of the palettes in, yeah. I thought that was a mail lady. I've got a package to go out. I'm trying to keep an eye on the mailbox. So that is everything that I've gotten from Copacetic Cosmetics recently. I will try and remember to link these down below. I might just write a blog on it and just leave the blog link down below, depending on how much free time I have. I am trying not to overdo it with work right now because I did just start a new job. And so I want, you know, I worked 19 days in a row. The first, like I did 5 days of training and then 2 weeks of supported production, and then I'm on regular production now. So, I mean, there's still help. Unlike the other positions I've had, if I need help, I can get it in minutes. I don't have to wait 48 business hours to get a freaking reply, which is nice. It's very nice. And I can pick whatever hours I want to work. If I want to work 2 hours in the morning and 5 hours in the afternoon, I can do that. I do have a minimum requirement to work 20 hours a week. So far I'm doing like 35 plus. So last week I did like 45 hours. I was almost dead by Monday. Anyways, so that's a recap of that. I have a whole bunch more stuff to get out. I have a trend mood box I'm going to do next. And then I've got 3 BoxyCharms to do and 2 Nomad orders. I haven't even unboxed the stuff I got for my birthday, if that tells you how far behind I am. And that was in September. Anyways, I will see you all later. Hopefully you like these little unboxings. I like showcasing indie brands on here instead of like regular mainstream brands. I also did just win a $300 gift card to ColourPop for their Thanksgiving giveaway that they did. So I have a huge ColourPop order coming, and I have stuff for my hair in that video or in that box. So I will be filming that separately. So look forward to some surprises. By the way, this is how long my hair is right now. This is the top. Underside is about this long. So it's getting there. And I did trim it recently and filmed it. So we'll see how that film piece came out. Anyways, I need to start getting ready for work. I have enough time to film one more video, and then I have to go get on to work. So anyways, I will see you guys later. Have a fantabulous day or night wherever you are. Bye.